How to gift Snapchat Plus to someone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're in this page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, you see the option of Snapchat Plus right over here. Click on it and then tap on Snapchat Plus Gifts. Select the person that you want to gift the Snapchat Plus. Once selected, you can choose whether you want to give 12 months, 6 months or 3 months. Once selected, tap on Gift Snapchat Plus and then click on OK. Now it will land you on this page where you'll need to pay for the Snapchat Plus. Tap on Purchase at the bottom of the screen and then pay the amount with the card that you have. Once the amount has been paid, the gift will be sent to the person that you have selected and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can give Snapchat Plus on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.